Hi guys, I am Professor Umar Hayat and you are watching UHA Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start our brand new Adobe Photoshop course in which we will teach you how to use Photoshop for photo manipulating and composing. This is the first class of course, and in this class we are going to cover the new file interface and project setting. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So this is the new document interface. Here we get a lot of presets already in the Photoshop library. This is the recent panel here. Presets we recently used are listed. Moving on to the next panel. In the next panel, we discuss about the saved category. Here, the user-defined presets are stored. In the next panel, which is photo panel, there are presets available for photography purpose. In the photo category, we get mid-resolution document sizes. Now in the print section, the documents presets for printing are listed. These presets are based on different paper sizes. In the art and illustration section, we get presets for digital illustration and painting. These presets contain higher resolution document sizes and have nice and bright color. For the web and mobile section, the artboards for user interface or web design are listed. These range from mid to higher resolution, and in the video and film section, there are presets basically used for designing video thumbnails or footages. Now we are going to cover the custom preset settings. First, here we write the name of our user defined presets. UHA services, and in the width and height area we define a valid resolution for an documents, and using these two icons we can define the orientation of the documents, whether it is a portrait or a landscape, and the resolution is pixels per inch. This is the size of the photo in print. How many pixels will be there in an inch? And the color modes are used for the different purpose, like the RGB mode is for purpose on the screen, and the CMYK color mode is for printing. Bitmap is loosey and light color mode, and the grayscale contain color from black to white, and the background color can be selected from here. Well, this is it for the first lesson. In the second lesson, we will discuss about the selection tools. See you there. Allah Hafiz.